In this video, I want to show you how to fix Samsung laptop touchpad not working when external USB device is connected. Sometimes when you connect external USB device like mouse or any other USB device, the touchpad ceases from working. If you are experiencing such issue, let me show you how to fix it. Just come to this search bar and search for touchpad setting. Click on touchpad setting. When it opens, make sure you are under touchpad, then comes to additional settings. It will open this page, then come to touchpad. So when it opens, here there is an option here that says disable when external USB pointing device plug in. If this option is checked, it means when you plug external USB pointing device like mouse, the touchpad will stop working. So come here, if it is checked, uncheck it so that your touchpad will continue to work even when you plug external pointing device or USB device. So if your touchpad ceases from working whenever you plug external USB device, just come to these settings and uncheck this option which says disable when external USB pointing device is plugged in. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.